Hello and welcome to today's video. So in this video we are looking at an easy method to make money online using YouTube. Now here's the cool thing, you can start this method from day one. You don't have to wait for 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours of watch time. The whole process from start to finish will take you realistically about 20 to 30 minutes a day using free tools and software, which I'm going to share inside of today's video. Now the awesome thing about this method is you can easily earn $1,000 a month. You could earn a lot more and you could also earn a lot more. Now whilst this method is easy, and you're going to see just how simple this is in the video, the hard part for many people is staying consistent with this and putting in the time and the effort. But look, if you can realistically spend 20 to 30 minutes a day with what I'm going to be teaching you today in this video, I genuinely believe this is without doubt one of the easiest ways to make money on YouTube. So let's dive into it. Oh, by the way, you don't have to be on camera if you don't want, and you definitely don't have to talk either. So let's dive into it and I'll show you everything step by step. Okay, so let's dive into this simple method for making money with YouTube. And look, we've got many more articles and resources over on the website. I'll drop a link to this down below for you. You can see we cover many different things, whether it's promoting your channel, making money, even things like creating a YouTube cash cow channel, okay? So the idea for today's video has came from one of the sections inside of the Not Taught at University. Now this is launching in about a week from now, and we can see down here we've got YouTube products and training. So there's lots of different methods of making money on YouTube. You know, we can do this without using our face, we can create evergreen content, and there's lots of ways we can do this. But in today's video I'm going to share with you a really simple and easy way to make money. But look, I want to share this with you. It's all about this up here. It's all about your mindset, okay? If you don't think this is possible, then it won't be possible for you. But if you believe, that you can actually earn money from this method, it's absolutely possible. I've got a 30k example inside of the university. But let me go over here and walk you through this, okay? So when it comes to making money on YouTube, we're going to focus on today's video on literally a really simple method of picking a category, getting some products which we can become an affiliate for, creating the video, and then literally going through that process. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly step by step how this works and how to make money. Because basically, you can start earning money from day one with this method, okay? So this is a website called Clickbank. Now over on here, if I scroll down, I've just come over to the marketplace. Now on the left hand side we have got categories, or niches as they're otherwise known. Now in here you can find a product that you can become an affiliate for. Now what I would say is, when it comes to this method, pick something you have an interest in or you have a hobby around, because you want to be creating content around something other than making money, which interests you. So you can come over here and you can start to get some ideas from these different categories. If you click these arrows here, it will give you subcategories, okay? So you can go through all of these and have a look at this, okay? So it's pretty straightforward and simple. So you can go into any category. It genuinely doesn't matter, because you'll always find a product. So let's just click on this whole category and find a product, okay? And all I'm going to do is I'll start with this one here right at the top, okay? So you can see there's hundreds of different products over on this website over here. So, and by the way, if Clickbank's not available in your country, you can use other affiliate platforms like ShareASale, like Warrior Plus, Commission Junction, and many more. I'm just sharing this as an example with you. So we can see here, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So what does this say? It tells us a bit more about the product. So first of all, I'm going to do two things. I'm going to right click and open this up into a new tab, which takes me over here, okay? So this here is the sales page for the product, straightforward and simple. And look, it says here, take a 1-minute quiz to find out what type of social media job you are best suited to. Click to start the quiz below. So someone goes through here, and these are known as micro commitments. They're answering these and they're going through. So this is a pretty decent sales page. I'll come over here. I can click on affiliate page, and I'm going to open that up in a new tab. And we're going to look at the affiliate page. So, blimey, there's a lot of stuff on here. So basically, this tells us about the actual product. We can see on here, you can earn $100 per sale. You can earn 75% commission on all sales and upsells. Pretty good. Scroll further down the page here, look, lots more information about it. Now this here is known as a funnel. So what happens here is, where are we? Let's scroll this up a little bit. So a customer comes here at the front end. So they buy the product. Then they go through to this, which is known as an upsell page, okay? So they can get an express pass, or they can get an express pass for 12 months. So, you know, if they decide to buy this product here, they then go through into this here. This is known as OTO, so one-time offers. This is the second lot. But if they was to decline this here, this $67, they decline it, they go into here. Look, they can upgrade to writing jobs and app reviews for $57, or this one here, or this one here. And then look, if they decline that one, they then go through to here. So you can see here in a snapshot inside of this funnel, you can potentially earn a lot of money from this. Ready to promote, so this is how we get our links. We've got different landing pages you can send people to. Scroll further down, and again, look, it even gives you emails that you can send out, banners, and lots more. Okay, so this is a pretty decent product with lots of different ways we can promote and share this. Okay, now in this video we're focusing on YouTube, so let's come up to the top. Let's see if they've got anything for YouTube along here. Short ads, videos. Let's have a look at their videos. So basically they're giving you a couple of different videos that you could potentially use, okay? But I'm not too fussed about that. So let's come over to Clickbank. This is the product. So people can get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So if I want to promote this over here, I would come over here, click on promote, click on generate or create link, sorry. I have now got this long link down here. So if I open this up and click on go to, you can see over here what happens is it goes to the same landing page, this one over here, but notice here it says hop equals ZZZ. And this one over here says hop equals Fern123. So that there is my tracking link. So if I send anyone over to this page using this link and they buy any of the products, we earn an affiliate commission. So far, I think we can agree this is straightforward and simple, is deciding on a category or a niche and getting a product to promote. Okay, so that is the hard part. Well, that's not even the hard part. That is this part done here. So now, before we jump in and start creating videos, we need to start thinking of different keywords and different titles for our YouTube videos, okay? So there are a number of ways that we can do this. So a really simple way would be to highlight this, and I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go to Google, like so. Get rid of that. And I'm going to come over here. Now I'm on Google, I'm going to paste that in. So I get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So that keyword alone, I can see 390 people a month are searching for that. So let me hit on enter. And let's see what else comes up. Now, for those of you wondering how I get this information up here, I use a Chrome extension and it's called Keywords Everywhere. I'll show you that now because it's very cheap. Keywords Everywhere. It used to be free a long time ago, but it's not anymore. But the price of it is ridiculous. If I click on price, then I'll show you really quick. $10 gets you 100,000 credits. And basically, every time you do a search on Google, on YouTube, Amazon, eBay, and many other platforms, it classes as 1 credit. But it's awesome, this tool over here. I definitely recommend it. As you've seen, it's relatively cheap and you can use this on a number of platforms. These are all the platforms whereby you can use this software, okay? So let's come back over here to Google. So I can see 390 people a month are searching for this. On the right hand side, because I've got keywords everywhere, I've also got related keywords to this. So you can see on here, we've got related keywords. How to get paid on YouTube and all of these. So look, here it is, look. So get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. That is the long tail keyword. Now, there's not much more going on there, but I can see other questions down here. So now what I would do is I would make a video like that. So just this one title alone here, this could give me multiple videos. So we could go with a video, simple way you can get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube, and daily using Facebook, Twitter, etc. Okay, but let's have a look at this. Let's just take this like so. I'm going to type this in, get paid to use Facebook. I can see 110 people a month are searching in get paid to use Facebook. Come down here and look, how to earn money from Facebook page like so. That's a potential video and lots more ideas down here, okay? And then we've got other additions down here. And if I scroll to the bottom, I can also see other searches, what people are putting into Google. So you can see here very quickly, look, how to earn money from Facebook by uploading videos. We're starting to get a lot of ideas for potential videos. Another piece of software which you can use, and it's free, is this one over here. It's called ask the public. Now they do have a paid option, but again you can just go with the free version because that free version allows you to do a search a day. So in here we just type in something. Okay, so come back over here. Let's just take this. In fact, what I'm going to do is how to earn money from Facebook. So I would take this, I would come back over to keywords everywhere. Ask the public. I'm going to paste that into here and hit on search. Now it takes a second, and what will happen is it's loading up. So now you can see we've got 359 results for the search term how to earn money from Facebook. Scroll down here. So these are all questions what people are asking out on the internet. So look, how to earn money from Facebook page likes, how to earn money from here, why, how to earn money from Facebook, lots of different things on here. Okay, how to earn money from Facebook in Pakistan, so that's a bit more specific, but you can see on here there's lots of different ideas on here for you when it comes to creating a video. Now if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, it's done alphabetically for you. So you can see on here, look, how to earn money from a Facebook account. 20 people a month are searching for this. But even if you don't have keywords everywhere on here, you can go through and literally start to use some of these as ideas for your YouTube videos. How to earn money from Facebook by uploading videos. Look, 480 people a month are searching for this. 320 people a month are searching for it over here. Come further down the page, there's lots more on here, okay? But basically, using this method here, you can get an unlimited amount of ideas for your YouTube video. So look, how to earn money from Facebook likes. So that would be one video. 5 simple ways to make money with a Facebook page. Another video, etc. Okay? So that's a couple of tools. So let me close this down, close this down. Let's come over here. Let's close this down and do this. Okay? So we've decided on a category or a niche, we've found the products we're going to promote, and then we've found different keywords which we can create a video around. Straightforward and simple. The next step is we would obviously move on to creating the video. Now there are a number of options out there for you. For me, I go with the simplest and the easiest. So for this, I use this software. Again, I will drop a link to this down below for you. It's absolutely free. Excuse me. And it is called... Oh no, it's not that one. I was showing you the wrong one there. It is called InVideo. Okay. Now if we come over here, why I recommend this and use it is, look, it's absolutely straightforward and simple. Look, anyone can create great video pro looking videos. And you can see over here, they've got 5,000 templates inside of here. There's transitions, effects, and it's free. Okay. And it's genuinely straightforward and simple. So we can see this is how it looks on the inside. Let me log in so you can see this. Let me log in with Facebook. And once we're on the inside, I'll show you just how simple this method is. Because you can start with a template, or you can just put text in and the software will create a video for you, okay? So, inside of here, you can see these are all different projects that I've got that I've been working on. Okay, so if I come over here too, let's just go to the dashboard. Now, if I scroll, oh no, let me go back here. Let me go to the dashboard. Now, inside of here, you have lots of different options. So we see up here, look, create a new video. You've got templates on here. You've got text to video, there's stock, and there's editor, okay? Now, the simplest way to do this is start with text to video. Now on here, basically these are all different templates, so you can pick any one of these templates. So it doesn't matter because they are all editable. So I'm just going to go with this one here, okay? And this is the size we want it. We want it in this here, 16 by 9, okay? So I'm going to use the template. The next step is here, look, add your script. So we would have a headline and the story, and basically whatever we put in here, this AI software will create a complete video for us around this, okay? So I'm going to go with this as the title, How to Earn Money from Facebook. I'm going to paste that into here. Now here, add a story. Now here, you would want to create some content in here. Now let me just take this. Now what I'm going to do here is I am literally going to copy and paste, but what you wouldn't want to do that, you'd literally want to go ahead and rewrite this basically. But I'm just doing this for the video. So what are the benefits of using this? Get one more, come down here, let's go get another one. Let's go back. Come down here, how to make money from your content on Facebook. Ways to monetize, and all I'm doing here is, again, I'm just doing this really quickly for the video. I'm going to paste that into here. In fact, let me cut that. I'm going to paste that up here, like so. Put a question mark on there, but basically, look, this here will create the video, and we can see here, like, auto suggest images and videos. I'm going to click on next, and then what happens is, as this is loading up, the AI software is working away in the background, and it's trying to match up images and videos to the script that we put into this piece of software here. And as you can see, works pretty fast. So at this moment in time, this is how the video would look. Okay? So it's put different images and videos behind here. But if we don't like any of these, we can simply change them over here. So look, how to earn money from Facebook. If you don't like this over here, because obviously this is Bitcoin, I would come over here. We've got video and we've got image. So if I click on video and I just search in there for money, as an example, it will bring up any of these videos on here. So look, if I want this here, I drag this over here like so, and I am going to trim the video to fit the scene, click on done. Now, when I click on play, that goes into there, okay? That's the video. It looks pretty good, doesn't it? So then once you've done that, you'd go on to the next one here. Ways to make money on Facebook. So here it's just a clip. So if I wanted to say a video of Facebook, or I could just go with an image and I could just type in here, I could just type Facebook. I can get an image and then I can just drag that over here like so, and now I've got that in there. Come further down, and basically you'd go through and you would edit this, okay? Now, in terms of this in the middle here, your text, you can edit this as well, you can move it around. To do this, you can just come into the advanced editor up here, and basically inside of here, it just gives you some more options when creating your videos, okay? And also inside of here, it allows you to do transitions. It's got different, pop-ups and other bits that you can also include. So inside of the advanced editor, I can see this is my text. If you wanted to move this around, so into the middle maybe, you can put it here. You can make it bigger like so. So it all goes onto one line if you wanted it to. You can change the font size of this. You can change the color. You can edit this. You can basically do whatever you want with this, okay? It's straightforward. Once you're happy with that one, you then go on to the next scene here. And then the next scene. And the next one along the bottom here. So along the bottom here, this is your timeline of how it looks. And again, you can add in more bits in here. It's genuinely straightforward and simple. But once you're happy with this and you finish playing around with this, you've got a few more options. You can come over to the left hand side here and you can overlay music, and you can do your own voiceover here. So you can record a voiceover if you wanted to, or you can use automated text to speech. But once you're happy with all of this up here, you would go ahead and export this video with the keyword for the title of the video. Once that has been exported, then obviously you would take it over to YouTube, you would upload it onto YouTube with a thumbnail, and you'd include, a video description, title and tags. It's honestly a very simple and straightforward method. But as you've seen over here, it's not a difficult process. We decide on a category, we find a product to promote. Once we have got that product, we then literally go for our thumbnail and we upload it to YouTube. Now I'll drop a link to this article below here for you, because this will walk you through everything that we're covering in this video in a lot more detail. And look, that is one method of making over $1,000 a month on YouTube. It's not difficult and it's straightforward. And this is just one of the methods that we're sharing inside of the Not Taught at School University. So if you want to check this out, I'll also drop a link to this down below. If you've got any questions, let me know. As always, thanks for watching, but have a great day and I shall see you tomorrow.